Let the recording start and I'll begin. Yeah. Namaste and good afternoon to one and all present over here. So, I would like to start today's session with a poem in Hindi. Uh, वो स्कूल के दिन जब स्कूल जाता था लगता था कि वही भागदौड़ रोज रोज ज्यादा पढ़ाई नहीं करता था मैं पर फिर भी तब पढ़ाई लगती थी बोझ कभी हम दोस्त मस्ती करके सबको करते थे तंग तो कभी घर पे शिकायत न जाए सोचकर हम खुद होते थे परेशान पर अब एहसास हो गया है कि स्कूल में ही बसती थी जान थोड़ी पढ़ाई थोड़ा खेलकूद सच में वो पल थे बहुत खास अब बीत गए वो पल पर बची है वो हर पलों की याद So with this wonderful poem I welcome you all to the back to root session. Today we have Prem Shah with us to share his memories and experiences with us. Welcome Prem.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. So Prem, should I call you just Prem or Prem Mama?
Anything both.
No, I'll call you as Prem only. Okay. So, Prem Shah is an alumnus of 2019 batch. He is a brilliant guitarist and very passionate about it, and also loves listening music from different genres. He loves playing volleyball as well and has won a medal in DSO. He was selected for Thane volleyball team as well. He took part in various competitions when he was a student at RRIS. He represented our school in Renaissance for comic competition and secured the second position in that. Once again, Prem, we are happy to see you here with us.
Same.
So, how do you feel uh, to
Feels
be a part
great
of this?
after listening to all these teachers after so long.
Yes, we are also feeling the same because after so long we are seeing you. You have grown up, and but still your smile, your face is the same the way it was in the school.
No beard.
No problem, but still you're the same way. You're looking the same way. The smile is the same one. Yes. So now let's make this talk memorable and watch a video prepared by Reshma ma'am. I would request Reshma ma'am to play the video.
Cheers to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the dreams bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you.
There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain. When I believed in forever, everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name. Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day, yeah.
Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday, but everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say, hey.
Here's to the ones that we've got, and cheers to the wish you were here but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today, and those to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you. Memories bring back you.
There's the times that I remember when I never felt so lost. When I fell in love, the hatred was too powerful to stop. Now my heart feels like an ember, and it's like is a store just for you. So you know I'll never drop. Yeah.
Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. But everything will be alright. Go and raise a glass and say, hey.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Reshma ma'am, for this wonderful video. So, Prem, so how do you feel after watching the video?
That just brought back so many memories.
Yes. Yeah, it was really wonderful, to go back and, to cherish all that memories. Yeah. So, thank you, Reshma ma'am, once again for this wonderful video. So, Prem, so shall we begin with the interview?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So, Prem, first we would like to know which field have you chosen now?
I am in commerce. I have taken chartered accountancy.
Okay. And anything else which you're doing along with that?
With CA, I am doing BMS also, Bachelor's in Management Studies.
Okay, that's really great. Okay. What are your future plans and what efforts are you taking to fulfill them?
Future plans. My father is a CA, so I will be joining him in his business, basically.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. And what efforts are you taking? Any special coaching or special efforts you are taking
Yeah,
towards?
like last week only, I cleared the first level exam of the CA
Oh,
Foundation.
that's
Yeah,
that's really wonderful. Congratulations, Prem.
thank you.
And I know that
And
the
now,
next exams are there. Whichever exams are going to be there, you are going to clear that also. All the best for that.
hopefully, yeah.
Oh, you're going to do that. We are sure. Okay. So we would like to hear about your journey after you left the school.
After school, I joined Whitty International School for AS and A levels,
Mhm.
and after that, CA, doing CA now.
Okay. Um, what are the activities, co-curricular activities, and achievement you remember from the school time?
Co-curricular activities, mainly volleyball. I used to play volleyball every day after lunch, and if you remember, I was a really shy guy. I was really an introvert, and I wouldn't speak at all in front of an audience. But
Yes.
after a while, I grew myself, and mostly I'm speaking in front of an audience.
But Prem, I cannot forget your performance in that comic show.
Yeah.
When it was a great surprise for all of us because, as you said, you were little, shy and you never used to speak. And after looking that performance, I was completely surprised. So it was really wonderful performance. Yes. What do you consider as a strength of Ramratna International School?
Basically, the culture that the school provides and the atmosphere the students study in, it's really great. Like studying in such an atmosphere, no other school can provide that because it's a huge space. The location of the school is really great, and also the teachings that other than the academics the school provides is really great. For example, the weekly days we used to have marvelous Monday, etc. That is a great concept.
Right, right. I completely agree with you. Uh, the parents plays the biggest role in shaping our lives. What life lessons have your parents given you?
My mother always tells me that to equally balance everything, like my relationships, my academics, and my
Hmm.
hobbies and fitness, everything, to balance everything equally so that everything goes smoothly and there's no grudges between anything.
Right. But can you specify any particular quality which you think that, or you can say something which you have learned from them?
Specific thing,
Mhm.
respect elders who
Yes, yes, Prem. I completely agree. You are a respectful child, and I have seen, though I was never your class teacher, but I have seen always your mother used to be there for
yeah.
everything, like whatever is there in the school or in the event is there. So your mother used to be there. Yes, Mita ma'am, do you agree with this?
Yes, Dhanashri ma'am. Mother, I mean, like, I really appreciate the way his parents have supported him in everything. Yes, Prem?
Yes.
Yes,
Uh, yes. Namaste, Principal ma'am. Even Principal ma'am is here, Dhanashri.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I didn't see. Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, Dhanashri. Namaste, Prem. How are you?
Namaste, ma'am. I'm great. How are you?
I'm good. I'm sorry I got late in joining you. I was at a doctor's clinic. I rushed from there, but I still got late by 10 minutes. But I'm so happy to see you back in your own way, in your own style, I would say. And I could totally agree with what Dhanashri said. You know, there was a sudden blooming in you when you were in 10th. And we saw so many shades of Prem during the last 1 or 2 years. And I'm
Yes.
so glad that you blossomed in a beautiful way before you left RRIS. Yeah, let's continue. And
Yeah.
yes, about his parents, they were there for every event, for
Yeah.
every workshop, every meeting. And that speaks a lot about a parent's involvement and encouragement for the child. So give my regards to them, Prem.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. True, ma'am. True. Okay. So, Prem, let's continue. What learnings from school do you think have helped you to sail smoothly through the challenges of the outside world?
So, to always be gracious and to feel gratitude towards other people, like just not just thinking about yourself, but also thinking the other person's side.
Great. Yes, that's yeah. Anything else want to share?
Thinking. Well.
Okay, take your time, no problem.
I can remember. I can recall that only as of now.
Okay, sure. Um, are you in touch with your school friends?
I'm in touch with them. Yeah, definitely. We were in the same school. We're in the same college now.
Yes, yes, I know about it. But can you share any memory? Like, which memories do you remember fondly with your friends?
When we sang Despacito in the school, the Saturday, that talent Saturday thing.
Oh,
Kushal, me, Arav, there,
yeah,
we all sang Despacito. That was a funny memory.
yeah, that's great. Now I think, Prem, we have done lots of question answers, so it's a time for an activity. Okay, so I request Reshma ma'am to start with the activity. I'll just brief you what is that activity. First, we will show you a picture. It can be any of your teachers, friends, or any staff member from our school. The face will be hidden. You have to identify them. First, you have to identify them. Second, you have to give any word, any adjective for that particular person. Okay, and the third one, you have to share any memory with that person. Okay, so three tasks are there. First, to identify. I think so. Identification will not be very difficult for you. You have to give an adjective for that person, whatever word comes to your mind. Okay, and the third one, you have to share a memory with that person. Okay, I hope it's clear to you.
Yeah,
Okay, so Reshma ma'am, can we start? Let's see the first one. Pehchan kaun? Yes, this is the first one.
principal man.
Yes, you're right. Principal ma'am. So you have to give an adjective for ma'am and one memory with ma'am.
I was beautiful.
Oh, beautiful. Yes, I completely agree with you. Yes. Any memory?
Memory. Breakfast when I had breakfast with her. I,
Okay, breakfast with that. Okay, I'll not ask the in detail because we are going to discuss more about that later on. Okay, Reshma ma'am, next one. Yes. कुछ ऐसे आंदोलन जो आजादी के बाद भी चलते रहे.
Ashok sir.
Yes, you're right. He is Ashok sir. So yes, any particular word
Adjective.
for him? Yeah,
He's a dance.
adjective.
He's a stud.
Okay, so I hope Ashok sir is listening. Yeah, any particular memory?
Memory, we used to play volleyball with him a lot.
Okay, so volleyball playing, you remember a lot. Okay, that's great. Yeah, next one. Okay, so ये घूंघट में छुपी महिला कौन है?
Dipti,
Yes, you are right. She is Dipti ma'am. Okay, so any adjective for Dipti ma'am?
she's smart. She's intelligent.
Oh, smart and intelligent. I hope Dipti ma'am is there and she is listening to you. Yeah, any particular
Memory.
memory?
Memory. We went on an industrial visit with the class. Like that was good. Yeah. That was
Okay,
good.
so you enjoyed that. Why do you
Uh,
remember particularly that thing?
that is the only time we've been without, like, not in the class and with her.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you enjoyed the out of class activity with her.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, that's great. Okay, next one. Okay, who is he? Safedi ki chamkar.
Is this Arav?
Yes, he is Arav Gandhi Mutta. Yes, you are right. Okay, so any adjective for him?
He's a master of all the sports. He plays everything.
Okay, I hope he is here. I don't know whether he has joined here or no. Yeah. And any specific memory with him?
Specific memory. I don't know. We just used to live in the same building. That's it.
That's it. So, any particular fun you used to do? Now you are saying you used to stay in same building, so you must be
Yeah.
having a lot of fun.
Nothing as such.
Okay, so yeah, let's move ahead. Yes.
Kushal.
Okay, छोटा बच्चा, नटखट सा बच्चा. He's Kushal. Yes, I think Kushal is here. So yes, an adjective for Kushal.
Kushal. He's dumb.
Oh, not really. Okay, and any memory?
Memory. Memory. We went to a trip from our classes
Okay.
and we got into a fight with someone, with some the local lads. Yeah.
Okay, you people had fight.
Yeah. The fight was
Okay.
because of Kushal, but somebody all got beaten up.
Okay, the Kushal was a reason, and somebody else was caught. Okay, that's
Yeah.
great. So Kushal, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you remember what Prem is saying? Do you
Yes,
also
ma'am.
remember the same
Clearly.
event?
Clearly.
Okay, that's great. Okay, Reshma ma'am, next one. Okay, who is he?
Dilip, forgot his name.
Yeah, you're a little close, little bit. Try. You can.
He's not Dilip Bhaiya. Is it Dilip?
Dilip sir. We have Dilip sir.
Dilip sir.
He is not Dilip sir.
No, Dilip. That's okay. Seen him several times, but I don't remember his name.
Okay, any of his friends can help him. His friends, those who are present here, can help him.
Kushal.
Kushal,
Dinesh, sir.
phone a friend. Dinesh Bhaiya, yes, he is Dinesh Bhaiya. Yes, Krish is also saying, Krish Rajed is here, he is also saying Dinesh Bhaiya. Yes, correct.
There's
So,
somebody who's
any,
taking a photograph, Dhanashree ma'am. So let's identify that person also. Visible in the mirror.
yes, yeah, there is a photo in photo. So, can you see? The person who's there
Reshma
in the
ma'am. Reshma ma'am.
yes, Reshma ma'am is there.
Very
And she's a
accurate.
person who has made this beautiful presentation. Yes, Reshma ma'am. Okay, so any particular memory with Dinesh Bhaiya?
we used to get scared of him a lot because whenever he used to come, he used to say, "Principal, ke paas dana." That is really scary.
Yes, the same thing is being shared with many of your classmates. Okay, that's really great. I hope you enjoyed the activity.
Uh,
Okay. Thank you, Reshma ma'am. Thank you for the presentation. Yeah, one more thing is there. Yes, you have to
yes,
recognize. You have to recognize six friends which are there in this photo.
I can recognize all of them.
Okay, that's great. You can tell everybody's name.
There's Premanshu, Rudra, then me, then Vitesh, then Neet,
Hmm.
then there's Aditya, Raj Kesari, Aditya Agarwal, then there's Divya, Taran Mendonca, Pratham Mehta, Sahil Raut, Aditya Gupta, Prem Sangani, Dishant, Shubham, Pearl,
Hmm.
then Ananya, Sakshi, Ritu. That's it. I remember two people.
Okay, that's really great. You remember almost everyone. Great. Yes. Yes, Smita ma'am, all are looking very cute. Yes. So let's move ahead now. Okay. So, Prem, how is the outside world different from the school?
Outside world is yesterday itself. My classes sir was telling us that during our articleship it's going to be really difficult for us because since our childhood we've been spoon fed, and in articleship it's going to be really different. They're going to embarrass us and everything. So yeah, outside was really they harassed us. Yeah, it's really different from the school.
Yes, in school, everybody is there who is taking care, and in outside world, it's like we are alone and we have to face all the challenges, right?
Yeah.
Yes, yes. What is your message for your juniors?
Juniors always respect their parents first of all, and
Yes, that's it.
so to take part in every activity and every competition our school hosts because I didn't do that and I regret that. So don't.
Yeah, that's really wonderful quality, Prem, that you are accepting something that you didn't do it, but you are telling others to do that, and that's really a great quality, I would say. Yeah. Did you ever get a chance to have breakfast with Principal Ma'am? And how was your experience? So now you can explain your experience over here.
When I had breakfast with principal ma'am, I was there with I think there was Kushal.
Ah,
As far as I remember, there was Kushal also, and no principal in the world would ever do that because every principal you see, it's they are always busy. Spending time having breakfast with our children, it's really different because we get to see her viewpoints, she gets to see our viewpoints, and it's really great.
I completely agree with you, Prem, that I have never seen any principal is not taking out so much of time to just have breakfast, to listen to the students. It's really great. And we are fortunate to have such principal, right? Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, anything
Yeah,
if you
excuse me for interrupting you, but I couldn't hide the emotions while listening to him. So, Prem, I just want you to know, Dhanashri, you also, and everybody listening to me, that I'm the one who derives most joy from that experience. So, when I do it, it is not an obligation. It is something that truly nourishes my soul. So I love it equally, or maybe more. I love it much more than what the students must be experiencing. So thank you, Prem, for saying such beautiful things, and to you also, Dhanashri. I think this is the real joy of being an educator, being a teacher, being a school principal. Thank you.
yes, ma'am. Okay. Yes, Prem. Something funny that you can recollect and share with us.
Something funny. Once we were playing volleyball after having lunch, and Prem Sangani was playing, and Prashant pulled Prem Sangani's black pants down. That was really funny.
Oh, it's really funny. I think so. Some other friends are there. I could see Divya is there, and can you name some people those who were there along with you that day? So I hope they can also recollect the same memory what
Krish was there.
Prem is.
Krish was there.
Krish was also there. So yeah, Krish. So you can share your views or your thoughts in the chat box, Krish. Or if you would like to unmute, you can also speak whatever your thoughts are there about the memories what Prem is sharing. So I can imagine, or I can visualize the complete incidents, and I hope it must be very funny. Okay,
Good afternoon,
so yes, yes,
ma'am. I
Krish.
would like to share experience with Prem. Like I was with Prem, like whole school in Ramratna and also in Viti. We were together in
All
Viti.
right.
Also, we have many memories together. We used to call him scholar. Like he scored, like he used to do mischief with us and then score good marks.
So
So,
you meant to say Chatur from Three Idiot.
Yeah. Yes, he used to study also and like enjoy every moment. So
Okay, so
that's
then
great
not
about him.
Chatur.
One
It
thing.
should be. Uh,
Also, he plays a very good guitar. That
yes. Yeah, thank you very much, Krish, for sharing few memories with
thanks
us.
a lot.
Yeah. Um, the next question: what is the one thing about school that you miss the most?
one, I miss everything about school.
But name few.
The teachers, the location, first of all, the location of the school.
Yes, yes, the
So the
location of the school. It's unique.
yeah, and the co-curricular activities the school provides as well.
Yes, yes, correct. Okay. Now, Prem, given a chance, would you want to come back to school for a day?
I would come to school every day if I had a chance. I was saying
And
with a few weeks ago, I was saying with that let's go RIS, but he said that RIS is closed due to COVID reasons.
right. But if you will come to school, with whom would you like to share your desk?
Kushal, of course.
His buddy, of course.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, with Buddy. Right. Okay. So I already have started visualizing that again everybody is sitting in your class, and again we are having that fun the way we used to have. Right. Okay. How can alumni contribute to the school?
And I contribute to the school um, by not just hosting events but also assisting juniors to host events because they need more they need more experience in hosting the events than we do.
Yes. So maybe sharing your experiences with them. Your
Yeah, basically.
experiences are going to be really helpful for them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Right. Okay. And what can school do to keep connection strong with the alumni?
To be honest, this is the most any school can do to keep connection strong with the alumni. So
Yes,
that
back to root is one thing.
yeah.
Yeah, that's really great, Prem. I really enjoyed this question answer sessions. Now, I request you to please play few tunes on guitar. We would love to see you playing guitar. We would like to listen to you. Please.
Okay. Because,
that's wonderful, mind blowing, fantastic. Really wonderful. I was feeling like I should keep on listening and listening. It was really relaxing. Wonderful, Prem. Wonderful. And thank you for this wonderful music for us. Okay, now I open the forum for teachers and students to share their thoughts and memories with Prem.
Yeah. Namaste, Dhanashri ma'am. Namaste, Prem. How are you?
Namaste,
Namaste, Usha.
ma'am. How are you?
I mean, it's so nice to see you after a long time. That smiling face, ever smiling face. I remember, yes, that smile since I think, I think grade fifth onwards. Like I remember that face, cute, and that smiling, and that is still intact. And yes, you were an introvert. I remember every time. As I was your class teacher for 2 to 3 years, I remember your parents always like worried about you not taking part in anything because you were very good in academics, right? And they were trying all possible things, and we had to had to push you actually to talk. Also, you were you spoke very less, and today also I can see you only whatever is required. You speak only that much. So and but you are a very good boy, very decent, and very respectful. Never you'll speak anything which is not required or do anything that was not required. So and I can see the change. I could see that change. I think grade 9 onwards, I could see that development in you. You started little opening up. So and I follow you. I think whenever you play some new tune, you put on Instagram.
Yeah.
So I see that, and I'm very proud of you, Prem. All the best to you, like in whatever you're doing, and I just wish you, God bless you, and be happy, and love you.
Thank you so
God
much,
bless
ma'am.
you. Yes.
Namaste, Prem.
Yes, ma'am. Namaste, ma'am.
How are you?
What?
बस बढ़िया.
एकदम. How are you?
Fine, I'm fine. So nice to see you. Definitely, it's really very nice to all. We look forward to these Wednesdays when we get to see you. Remembering those old days and listening from you all those wonderful words, and we feel so proud to see the maturity with which you conduct yourself. You convey your thoughts and feeling so well. And today also you spoke so well. I mean, like I agree to what Dhanashree ma'am said. You suddenly bloomed. I think after ninth, in ninth grade, I applied for some position in ninth grade for council position, and you couldn't make it through. So your father had once spoken to me after the election, that after the results, that where was Prem lacking. So we told him that no sir, he's not lacking anywhere, he's an excellent boy, only thing is votes, somewhere he lacked in the number of votes you had got. So your father asked me what is the reason for him not getting the votes. So I said the reason being he's very reserved. So many of the juniors, they are not aware about Prem existing in the school because you were so timid, so shy, not interacting with anyone. Prem class में है या नहीं है ये पता ही नहीं चलता था. And that feedback was taken so much, I think you all, your family decided कि अब इसमें से तो बाहर निकलना ही है, प्रेम exist करता है ये बताना ही है दुनिया को. And then I think you got enrolled in drama classes and public speaking classes, and what a change, 360-degree change in your personality. So it was so amazing, and we were so happy and proud to see you, the way you bloomed after a few months or maybe a year or so. And we really loved this new Prem. We loved the previous one also, but this Prem was very entertaining, very charming. And though, you and Kushal are buddies, the reason being you both had a very subtle and very, this calm sense of humor. So you used to make people laugh, but ensuring that you both never crossed that line of decency in your humor. Even you had that decency always. So you always used to make us laugh with your one-liners. And even if we used to be angry, आप उसमें भी एक हंसी मजाक का एक थोड़ा तड़का लगा देते थे तो हमारा गुस्सा गायब हो जाता था, हंसी आ ही जाती थी गुस्से में भी. I used to love that quality, and I really loved. I would say it inspired me that you can change yourself if you take something on heart. You know, you're at times maybe that not getting into council, you took it so seriously and you challenged yourself, and you proved that I can also be the one. You bloomed yourself so beautifully, so well. So we are very proud of you. Congratulations, Prem. Keep up the good work. Be the same, always smiling the way you are doing now, and keep people laugh around you, make them happy, because this is the biggest quality you have. So keep this with you and keep your innocence intact, and please convey our regards to your parents as well. Take care.
Thank you,
All the best.
thank you so much, ma'am.
Anybody else would like to speak? Any
You
teachers?
should ask his friends to speak up.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to ask. So here, many friends are here. Krishna Nemani has left. Okay, I think Divya is here. Divya, you can speak
Yes,
few
ma'am.
words. Yes.
Sure, I'll do that. Hi, Prem. Hi, everybody. Namaste to you all. I'm really sorry I won't be able to turn on my camera because I'm facing some network issues on a genuine basis, right? Okay. Am I audible, Prem?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Divya,
Okay.
you're audible.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, last I remember I, Prem, along with other friends met during Ganpati celebrations. So it was a moment where Prem invited all of us and we happily went, barging the protocols and stuff. Like, okay. And it was cool, like meeting him after so long time, meeting all friends, and because he has been the person who made everybody happy around. So that is a very rare quality, which I see in Prem, Kushal, and many of our friends, and I really appreciate that thing. Other than that, like we mostly were involved, though we had different subjects in later grades, like in ninth and 10th, but we were together in volleyball team, and wherein he was holding a very important position of lifting the ball in the game. So, like every time, whenever we used to hit or smash, we used to call him. He used to manage everything, and he so deliberately managed all of us. And we won many glories. We won many victories in the volleyball, and I miss all my friends. Like most of us now have already completed our 12th, and we are going some or the other places for our higher education. I would love to spend more time with all the teachers and friends, and that is all I would say.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Yes, Divya. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. Yeah. Anybody else? Krish is here. Krish Chajer, if you would like, you have already shared, but anything else, if you would like to share, you can. Any other teacher? Yes. Any other teacher who would like to speak here? Okay. Yeah. Now I would like if, Principal Ma'am to say a few words.
Yes. So I was waiting for my turn, Prem. People shouldn't feel that I am just misusing the position and trying to grab the very first instance, very first chance of speaking to Prem. So, yes, I was controlling myself. But let me tell you, all the good things that people have said about you, I reiterate the same, whether it was about your transformation, such a beautiful transformation. I remember your mother probably sharing with me that you used to travel every day to Borivali for your drama classes. Am I right?
2 days a week. 2 days a week.
2 days a week, yeah. To Borivali, after school hours, traveling alone. And I think these are the experiences which bring in the confidence. Uh, at that age, at a young age, taking care of yourself, being responsible, traveling alone, and learning a new skill. And I need not say how well uh, you are an expert at so many things. He was a good student, no doubt about it. even before we started the other colors, other shades of his personality. But in addition to that, you were a dancer, you are a musician, you were great at sports, just like Divya said. And and yes, who can forget the stand-up comedy and the award that you have won for it? So beautiful. It's a complete package. It's an RRIS package for a student, which shows that our children are multi-talented. Most importantly, they are so confident. They are responsible. I would also like to say that student like Divya, who rises to the occasion, who did not leave the meeting when asked for speaking, but takes up the responsibility, always acting like that head boy that he was. So these are the qualities which set you apart and which makes us all proud. So whether it is Prem, it is Divya, it is Kushal, it is Krishna, whoever is attending this meeting today, and all those who are not attending the meeting, we want you all to know that you have your own unique qualities and we all love you for that. Just believe in yourselves, and the school will always remain your home. I would not even call first home, second home. This is your own home. When something is our home, there is no first, no second. Just like RRIS is my home, it's your home, every teacher's home, where we all love each other. We are there to support each other. So, looking forward to meeting you. May God bless you. Love you. May your future be very bright. Each one of you who is here today in the session.
Thank you so much,
See you
ma'am.
soon. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, Principal, for your kind words. So, with this lovely, sweet note, we'll wrap this session over here. I would like to thank Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, for providing me this opportunity. And thank you very much, Prem. It was a wonderful to have a conversation with you. And at the end, I would also like to thank all the audience for your presence, for your support. Thank you, everyone. Take
Thank
care.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, Prem. Bye. Take care.